Idinaan na lang ni IC Trasona sa paniniwala sa Panginoon ang isyu ngayon na kinasasangkutan ng kanyang asawang si Alvin Aragon. Matapos kasi mag-post ni Sunshine Garcia ng tila patama para kay Alvin ay naging usap-usapan din ang post ni IC na kung saan ay binigyang diin niya ang pagtitiwala at pagsuko sa Diyos sa bawat bagong araw. New day, new mercy, laying it all at Jesus' feet, giving it all to Him who is in control and sovereign. Samantala, muling inintriga ng netizens ang post ni Sunshine na kung saan larawan nila magkakasama ng grupo ang Sex Bomb kasama ang kanilang mga asawa na nag-e-enjoy matapos na naging matagumpay nilang concert. Mapapanood din sa mga videos nila na enjoy ang bonding ng kanilang mga asawa. Caption pa ni Sunshine Garcia, last night ganap, dinner meeting with SB Girls. Syempre kasama ang mga hobbies. Kapansin-pansin naman ang paglalike ni IZ Trasona sa ilang mga komento na kung saan ay tila sinasang-ayunan ang kanilang pagsamba sa Panginoon. Every battle belongs to Jesus. You do not need to explain your side to anyone else but to Jesus alone. More talk, more mistakes. Ang hindi pagpatol sa maingay na pag-atake ng kalaban ay tanda ng karunungan. Indeed sis IC, may mga bagay sa mundo na hawak ng kaaway pero mas makapangyarihan ng ating Diyos na lumikha ng langit at lupa. For all truth are parallel. Wala namang magawa ang kaaway kundi hanggang inject lamang ng kasinungalingan sa isip ng bawat tao. New day, new beginning. Delight yourself to the Lord and He will give you the desires of your heart. To God be all the glory. Please do not respond to them. Let them be. They will never understand you until they understand your Lord Jesus Christ. Keep walking in your faith. Don't be bothered by how the world perceives your faith. We are amazed at how you're standing up for what you believe in. As a fellow believer, the only person we need to please is Jesus. You are showing everyone that your love for God is far greater than fame or money. Setting your eyes on things above, we are praying for you and your family. Nakakamangha talaga din maging maka-Diyos, kayong mag-partner at sinusunod nyo talaga utos ng Diyos. Pero ang advice ko, sana mapagsabihan mo ang asawa mo na wag na magsalita ng di maganda tungkol sa mga kaibigan mo na sex bomb. Kung may opinion man siya, sana di maganda sa kanila, sayo na lang yan sabihin para maiwasan din na magtampo sayo ang mga kaibigan mo. Ang paghatol ay sa Diyos, hindi sa tao. Sa kabuuan, itinuturo ng Biblia ang pagpapakumbaba, pagpapatawad at pagpapakita ng awa sa halip na mapanghusgang pag-uugali. I see, kahit papano nagre-reflect si Jesus kasi mukhang loving ka naman talaga at may humility. Pero yung asawa mo, dapat leader ng pamilya nyo, nag-hyper faith at nagiging over-righteous, kinakaladkad ka na sa sobrang kahihiyan. Sana mapanindigan niya na hindi kayo magkakamali sa buhay or else mapapahiya ang Diyos na sinasamba nyo. May your life really inspire others at not become source of hate kasi yon ang pagkakaalam ko na totoong blessed sa buhay.
You can dance, woo! You can play, you can sing.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Ang bawat isa ay may kalayaan na piliin ang landas na gusto nating tahakin, pero sana hindi nagne-name drop at nag-shame ng asawa mo kung di ka pareho ng paniniwala niya ang paniniwala ng iba. Ganyan dapat, very supportive ang husband sa wife kasi happiness ng wife nila ay magiging happiness din ng buong family nila at hindi sila kokontrolin dahil alam ng husband kung sino ang mga kasama ng wife niya na super good influence din, di tulad nung Alvin. Walk by faith, hayaan nyo na lang sila. By this time naman, siguro ay nasa puso nyo mag-aral ni Jesus. Hindi madali ang persecution because of your faith in Him. Pero your reward is greater.